In today's battlefield, threats aren't just on the ground, in the air, or at sea, they are in cyberspace. The digital domain is the new frontier of warfare. Cyber attacks can strike without warning, compromising classified information and disrupting mission-critical operations. Recent cyber incidents have increased globally, targeting military and government agencies, aiming to infiltrate sensitive defense systems. Introducing the Cyber Defense Kit, our strategic initiative to secure our digital perimeters against cyber adversaries. We are enhancing our defenses with advanced monitoring systems, automated responses to neutralize threats instantly, and robust endpoint protection for our IT equipment. For our servicemen and women, this means a secure operational environment, reliable tools, and peace of mind knowing our missions are protected. Implementing the Cyber Defense Kit is crucial to protecting our assets, ensuring mission readiness, and maintaining the trust of our allies. Together, we are fortifying our digital frontlines, ensuring that every mission is executed with excellence and without cyber disruptions. The Cyber Defense Kit, fortifying our forces, securing our missions.